In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep your WordPress site offline while you're working on it. So whether you're setting up a redesign, fixing bugs, or simply not ready to go live, your site will stay out of public view but totally accessible for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the simplest and most effective methods to protect your work in progress without risking your site's SEO or having users see a broken page. Let's jump in with the easiest and most recommended method, which is using a maintenance mode plugin. Plugins are like special tools that step in and handle the behind-the-scenes heavy lifting for you, and in this case, they let you display a professional-looking maintenance mode or coming soon page to anyone who visits your site. What's even better is that these plugins make sure your site is sending the correct 503 status code to search engines. This means Google knows your site is under construction temporarily, so your SEO rankings are protected. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard, then head over to the Plugins section on the left and click Add New. In the search bar, type in something like Seed Prod or WP Maintenance Mode. Both are popular options, and you really can't go wrong with either. When you find your preferred plugin, hit Install and then Activate. Don't worry if this takes a few moments, it's WordPress doing its thing. After activation, look for the Plugin Settings page, which is usually under the Settings menu, but sometimes you'll find a new menu item created just for the plugin. Take a minute here to explore the options. You want to look for a status toggle, which might say inactive or off by default. Flip that switch to active, and just like that, your site is officially in maintenance mode for all regular visitors. Now here, where you can really have some fun, customizing your maintenance page. Most of these plugins give you a drag-and-drop editor, kind of like playing with digital Lego blocks. You can upload your logo, add a short message, even set a countdown timer if you know when your site will be back. Some plugins also let you add an email sign-up form, so visitors don't just leave, they can be notified the moment you're live. Take your time here, but don't stress if the page isn't perfect. You can always come back and update it. Once you're happy, make sure to save your changes. From now on, anyone who visits your site while logged out will only see your offline page. But you, as a logged-in admin, will be able to view and edit your entire site just like normal. It's a bit like having a store with the lights off and a "back soon" sign in the window. You're inside, getting things ready, but passersby know not to come in just yet. If you prefer not to use a plugin, WordPress does include some simple privacy features, although they're a lot more basic. First, you can go to Settings and then Reading, and check the option labeled Discourage Search Engines from Indexing this site. This asks Google and others not to list your site in search results while you're working, though keep in mind, visitors who know your site address will still be able to access it. If you're using WordPress.com and not the self-hosted WordPress org, there's another handy option: set the entire site to private. Just navigate to Settings, click Privacy, and choose the private option. Now only people you specifically invite can access the site at all. For even more control, you can set individual pages or posts to password protected when you edit them. This is great if you only want certain content hidden from public view, so that's all there is to it. Whether you want maximum control with a customizable maintenance mode plugin or just need a quick privacy tweak, you've got solid options for keeping your WordPress site offline while you work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another WordPress problem you need solved. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.